crossfire.
And then a feather. And I just said, was me toss in noon. I was familiar edican. You made my phone. I told me that so, Papa, and I'm also Mamusu Yasina. I got so a can be. We did it for Teresa. Nene, many a tamu about you and come. Now, no show, Mr. Brandano will be the by say at a move. At a bako kumbako with piano in Simbi and Atamoa. Head and Atakum Bakuna Bakomana Sotia. As a moment you would Rukumba. No, Yanan, no more dad, no Ekum, no dad. And the Sana Coso. Into one more pet, Sebu Creno, Atamo and I Etono. Atap Mamma Quava. Yeah, the Yabakodi, Namadam Father. Good. Yamampa in age, Madinasi. Young girl in father. And I bring Yamiaka.
Any Yamiaka.
Now, the vampires was young winning.
Yabompa when you major upon the
good. And what Bamanumaka. The Pacho Nansamuti. A Brandano says Mubako, a Kumbako. Course a by swa, ye be ye friends and voices cry number 4. Edinamo. Muti.
Yet, Ribanamotino. Yet in a number. And you may be phrase. Now, I bought you for a chance of free. And to be a usual, you might be more free. And you won't pick a course and catch it. Say, we smooth. Or we frame me. Personal people won't bang and so no more so free. So, we okay. I'm saying, okay, it's not go about what's the kind. So, Canada. And you know, create any yet, I say, you know. It says, yeah. A boy who tells you.
More numbers in income.
0247 903268
0247 903263.
Good. Free baby secret societies. A dozen. PM account in Wasampa. The moon, the air, the moon's a moon. The moon.
Dear, I read, I win with some more. And the Musamu. Because Mujadi Tadibia Muja some doors will be beno. Not just there. There is something there, something dangerous, and you need to be careful. To.
Na efa fraternity say hu no. Inti me metna team for light into say we can because he is masibia. Ti me metna simple mbolo hu da wuro say because na for muka so nkofa we mra na mijaye entro. Ntino unya enan pu na ada nanti akwa baabi akobo hu dawuru se we si ko hu sei na mkohia we na
akopa hu ntoma
ene ntro ne adada bebiribe na di paye no
de be bitima betima na isa
amana ye
enada ne ntro oh we know kan
say the kre no see people don't want real power because real power comes with a lot of discipline ehia no kre nsusu ne nipa de enti ono no say obekọ akọpẹ real power no na obetena say obebo nipa ankasa no that is all the no hunyina be down sunsum no but oye no shortcut eno de odada wa na bia ajapade de guta wusika oje to oje to nsem no do ye no hu ye a na woni swad woni da so you see so be that wa de ye pa no an ni sika no how the nipa kro no da bi disappointment the hope they gave you I woni so had dear me last me nda me nyame de mabaha na nipa no ya de won na abi na o ase wo frɛ no na o yesi no the disappointment is what makes you more depressed enti nipa no onko pɛ real power because onu say edin na asa na obinya no so no also onya self discipline bia onye ready for that because nipa yakono edoso echen de ebeko enum enti adada no de it is a shortcut but the real power commercial freedom because it does not come free. Power is not about to say oh come obi sika say onye tu ade we ma na o ma usa tu mi we there be sunsun e be nya na wonti ase say asemasi me ne be nanti me ne be tra mi mu asayare na me be di dwuma say yes because utrimu ponya sunsun no poma ti dipa bebre they are walking around with their mortal flesh omo de omo adwen ni omo ni ni omo nsa ni omo
not just mortal people so called spiritualists and one we hu some of them go about saying I saw this some away. You can't talk about selling spirits. A spirit that is stronger 10 times than you, more knowledgeable than you. When he chen or to me chen, utuma boba ko pe on sorry bi wetima talk more da yem ko be yegura wetima yera ma board and one time pe you go on about selling them with on spirit with on demons with on angels with on bosom. You can't sell these things. The spirits sit there and they laugh at you.
Consideration me no monya. And almost so many of your pam. Now ya bibika krabia mom, no muso bibika krama. But they are in the wind. I'd say you know, omutwem fire won but you your words bika. I mean incantations. You who any ye be I mean rituals. Now much one ben almost okay. And animu say we say or water so na then awunya. No aba no abenanti. Enti wuntimi betena be bi se wo ton honhom disrespect to the culture. Yeah. Tifara de ono no.
Good. Hwe baby wase. You say you won kwa ene ye wo ewuo. Na ye hwese nipa ye wu achi no. Ya na bibitimi pie mu eba. Na ye woni ma bi esietimi ye. Ehye stade ma mu kina na. Pato to me question ase. Ewu achi. Ye wu ye bebo bra nyina ye wu no. Ya slat ewufuo no. Bibi wo ho. Ma ho bi pen. Bibi wa yema ewufuo anomo mawu no omutim be so daye anomutim be ka bibi e kire so obi tim be ka bibi kire a anase busuafo bi be ka mu wo bi kire wa wo bibi awe.
Okay, so asema for the busan default I say it takes a little time, maybe an hour or two, and then I declare say but in the mystical order, mystics of India, yes, when you die you are given at least 4 hours. No mystics now I'm just a one way some never on say nipa who are the brain. I'm on science, no more biology, they know what I'm talking about. The brain they can die, but when the brain is dead, the other parts of the body and also very powerful sensitivity, it can be active. It was so be nobody no movie, not a sunny movie, then nipa one. These are paranormal cases. It happens every day. The spiritual phenomena is see they be because brain no dey hardware no software that's the spirit. It can control somebody parts, it can control the joints, it can control the head, the body movements, joints no don't pay the between movie. It's nipa who are yes no say dey use wo just transfer of energy, transmission or free body from a cover before. But on for the because the physical appearance no physical presence you feel be. You see a friend in car phone so yenya no. You see in kasa one verbal communication intimacy because we didn't see we didn't according to see. So death is just a journey from one plane to another plane, from one train to another train. Inti everybody say you are about money on but in we so yes me nice form and I make asa good
your man number no enko
0247 903268
0247 903-263.
Good. You be be jam na mo flow kakra. Na bia hu ya na mai den. Abam. E bia sem ya dem akoma so. E wo asum no mu. Ona be chuno ya combine two no. Asum no mu ana bibi we hia mutitu a. Opese dipa nyina omo hwe nyina den. Ehu. Ene se ne di akire me dase.
All right. You person nipa enye mentally advanced. I no say bi wa adwen bi onti ase ani. Na hu bibia. Try to understand it. Otim biasia na abetime hu nimdie na hu nimdie no so no boa wo so kwan so e be influence we be ma positive impact in your life. But when we be now just on the cover, if you judge something by the cover, you have made the first mistake because adibia no on the facade no ye wonema nipa e di bri depend so and ye inside no dey with my body pa. So better TV so we say what we see. We talk about things that you probably have no idea about, things that may probably scare you. Never be mu down to Minda. But if you understand it well, if you understand things from a different perspective, it's all about perspective. Maybe who be no. So we will jab who say ADBF no. We will say other side that who say F. The son will be an unima ubusa. Obisa for 1 year will be pronounced the name. Obisa for 1 year coin. Obisa for 1 year coin. Who will be now on Tiasia? You ask. Who say be now Obisa, Kubisa, and your bonnet. Omo ka chere say you say me bone blah 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 really saints and a saint seven our face use my court na we no brofo word Latin your research is the greatest weapon in this universe. If you know divine energy, you know divine power, the principles governing you can manipulate everything to your advantage. And look bone so yes so manipulative be so greediness. People so many spiritualists and mortal people strive for spiritual greediness. Soon any bre bibia otumi bia ope tumi bia ope ubia ope obe bebrebe a me na me ka kire wo hye to be bebrebe na wo hye to chiwade bebrebe to be hye to zo bo abe pa so pasa wudi kakra no relax no balance ho wo possess spiritual power divine power sika na ope kakra no balance ho wo sika bebrebe a sebe wo ejimijimi wo sika bebrebe a wo ba ju bibia firim sam with enyes kasem odi nyansa odi nimdie tibia no ope kakra no balance ho ope kakra no balance ho bibia po wiase bia is possible. Let nobody tell you that nothing is impossible. Everything you want in this life is possible. Upesika possible. Upetumi possible. Nothing is out of range. Because of why no the tumi nyina ma ye. Because we are gods on earth. Enyame was as bibia no ekutaye. Ani kulapo meaning everything is in our pouch. Death, life is all in our pouch. To.
Medamase na se ye yegusu ayaku ani mintinu die na nipa yenya ase esi a ye kase omohwe no die na nipa nyeden yenye koso ohwemu a sunsum no sane mane ade a ebi a yeti ebi mu kana eye no kre wo ho pa e wo ho ana eni ho
se sunsum se fada ho menshara
sunsum nsem a ye kanyina me dai no na me hu ba bibi na mo de magina hemfie bi nim me hu obi a wawu ko fa baas bi na ma me no oti ma me wawu no si mensi fom ne sane mani na no da ne adwen no ebu ye den de man ade e wo ho pa na samado no so tesen se wo ho samado tesen
sunsum sem wo ho samado wo ho heaven wo ho. Your definition of the heaven, biblical heaven no, is very different. Don't get it wrong. Heaven you range over ho, heaven you benz wo ho. But while doing the religion has brainwashed you to the point where you feel and think that when you suffer here, I want to tell you, I want to say the depression, the when yaira, obibaje oyiri, obibaje ukunu, kombede oyembe na osa, ura be husa na da ku uwa na ukosha asama ndoa na wono aba be proof say won a otiri nwe nyina akwa asama de ma cake ana ya ma fufuo ni nkatenkwan ni akokonam. Nobody has come back and said that. People say a lot of things online. Oh, I was almost dead. I saw a revelation that God said, my friend. You know, it's true. Me obadi no, obadi na meka. Ni ne ya obetuma ka say sisimu nyina amohene. Ono so onye sada. Ono wasam no. Onye sada. Show udi ubone, udi papa. O show di ada be kan say gubu say king ho no. Na nabofo e de mpia ho. Eni asekan. Me I don't have proof of this. A spirit told me, oboa me boa. When I die, when my time is up, I will find out. The benefit me the father number, maybe was a voice note. Now on the but nobody can attest or stand on their 2 feet. Everything to platter to say, heaven, God will be so good. Me hotel am chim me that thing me boy yeah, me no banda this me worry yeah, me ndi obi atama nka kwase ani aboa no. Me my brother, my sister, my father, my mother, my auntie, my uncle. Open-mindedness. Ubi wa dream bi onti ase nya ebedi nkomo foforo but adwen nya ndusa level nti ntimi mbo nsem nyina so enti de mpese me ka che wone na wodu tu hufo no se ma woni na ho be open minded. About 2 days or 4 days ago na me tu kwan nimi nua and we enya poncha kakra omoto itieti aduro so kama the time the pie na yeto no na man bi pay oben no he was trying to or you can say can I share the word of God with you and being the humble servant of God dem you ya na yesu yes oh eni atra nchen ne ka asem no no the younger pastor I'll keep it short or try nchen o shall say kasa do you know that the only truth the only way to God is through Jesus Christ. I don't have any problem with Jesus yes, we are sending master to chairman fine. Now, what this master they preaching about was that's saying you say yes here. So who say any matter the crowd person it's not to say I confuse the he started trying to make the whole preaching about say yes the only way. I want to make a say there be open-minded. Islam, other fetish, other Christianity or whatever Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism, whatever it is. And you know about the idea homage man. And to be an home summer for any dear ma unya now also some find any day but don't bash the other person. Send a bit of respect for your own. That is where the tribal, the religious wars begin. Sorry. Intimate pacho when you open-minded. Tiasie ne hu wasum Yesu a tiasie obi so asom bosom a hwe no otenkom didi nchene eya wale yampon ye ne da obi so asom ne hu na bofo obi an ne hu beto no when the hour is due, when the time is due obi abebu ne nkonta. Live and let live. Trust na unua so trust kakra metimi aka eno no
Yes. But I say we shall for high Royal Television so. I just see a queen. We fast like Sema Mammy Edusa. Edusa was Madame Sini Edusa was Madame Sini. She said me Edusa ambassador. Bomodin baby I will be a kwaji Mammy Edison running a BCC or ya. When more drew and was some pure as I can watch it. Would them who but told be a bekama. Oppression or so sissy or ya. Niman Kuyi Unipedu and what think I say Nematus. Bomodin Mammy Edison was a bomodin. Na Ebra. Kumasi mazi go flight station achiwo ano mam ha bia no mam ye dusen no bi wo baby bebre mfa na ma no to so ohu number na wo so kwa okope bibi no ayden oto ata ehwe bibi wa sei se moko ko hia sa no a omo ko hia no na munnim ho dada anase bia munnim ho na bia nipa no kra be free kro bi so na aba oba kro nya no kro hu a obo so so ka members no ho di ade na atamudi mi show bi nso say nipa we bi ababi di agro no ho na onso di agro
you may never know, that is one thing, but I don't know who say fraternity ana ko na oni nipa no join no say mo special in chabi ana science bia mu hu a nipa no hu a ana wo say oye ne ye bi wa abonti bia beto so okay we ofia say and over fear, but there is no popular sign. Be say we share, we know a church be the other so okay. Or can see me fraternity no, and no can say Dabi. But only no as soon back. Musia there is an automatic Wi-Fi connection be. Because soon corona and also some. Into mama debit set telepathy. Mu feel mo. They will say, oh okay. Then the code. I mean to me can video so. Yes, but it's there. Me chese me teach mupia madam the twodi mpenyi fon so hwe me there the codes are there in Chiano the signs are always there, it's always in the public, but unima na unim yeah tika cry or father
so my number is
0247903263
0247903268
good from almost one person you occult occult na so for 17 years 18 years as any pa abawiase no be any brisker even the youth o mani brisker pa je say so because so nko fa na ma mekra mod ne beren ebeba o wasem bia betimi atoto hu ayi dia man
sika pede ne bone se na opiska bi eye but ofre na o ka so person join okota e wona ya US form because and okura che say you're not level headed enough to join a secret group
mo you know
we friend person joining mo you be but you know you understand I wanna disqualification when your first one we are younger there's no way you can recommend it to a fraternity yes we are younger unless we are young no you come before us nkomodi die mu no wadwuma bie be so wadwuma bie woni unti ase sunsun manyina be sunsun manyini but we panyini a it takes a couple of conversations and the crowd no every be half initiate ya bo atanase half I so afa obi no no so nkom no ya bo atanase no bo so panyina kasa sana sunsun no ya bo sunsun atanase ya we spiritually you put you on a pivot we wear you out we turn and aba ne ahwa ade you betimi agene de untimi nje and sana afa no e do akwa anajo aberu anajo de bia keep saying this and I repeat this again all court sunsun sem anajo ebedu anajo enkomo esikasem e okra asem how deep you want to go into the waters asem but amamani amani ne sa man half initiate ebo wasu ebo atanase and no and involve but I'm telling you let everybody take your money because it involves no money too fra onye adwuma utifie kwa my brother how do you expect to join a fraternity you don't have any kids you are not married nkwa na ati wiase
beyond now
and why should I feel say
what your court now this your court every fear us from me back
abayo bia sabi unya djuma bia uni position bia o government mu unya djuma bia sabi ye ka say tono sacrifice say baby amamre bi say ya untimi nya bia ka twa na dwe say na you can't afford kando me sakura baby you probably may not even be able to afford so you don't go into people's places asking for person join your court there be kan wasema unia now they court ko one for bass here the only show you show sunsun you show now you are eligible for data you have a reputation you don't so say kwa anajo you don't be do anajo na anajo nkomo no nye TV so nkomo yes car ba be go your office na be say that it doesn't matter
some of you are very
funny you come that is disrespect you come before us and you bring a bunch of money my friend sabe de dan ye ekoyi mai nti uba no de na be ene die mu ade pa na oba be uba no come in a humble way sunsun ya humbrase God is humble. So when you come in a humility form, you also humble yourself and we talk to you near dissecting your mum, up and sapiens and your spiritual anatomy, your beam. Actually, say the tear, white near, black near, red near, actually, some near soon as so near, so for so near. The open up, but open style is a constant yama. Who be young, come be young, come who be precon, come be precon, come. You understand?
Open your mind, son of Minya Lekano, because. Okasem oniye mu no ebetese
okay free bani work with a lot of people I am for politicians ministers you understand asofofo konfo tuba na okase sabe me sofo a na so okasem no oniye mu na chese sofo ampa wo sofo asoro ho emfa uni asore dan
na ko Bible school TV so sofo
what I say enti wo petumi no wo so pe no udiem wo so pe no udiem nyehu se na epushia ma wo na wo ba unti asore da unya sore ma unya sore dan oso wo yosofo dati betu wie be kenya ne tum bia ma oketrema wo kasa che nipa betu nipa asum ebetu atwe dom kakraba na skana ba dom ne ba skana be ba skana ba dom ne be ba afi no apagya ho yie ogina yie sofo onfo ogina ho yie ansan ro ro bi na all at once oba open 10,000 members oso sabi you can't even afford udwanti my brother mamu ye ne sa
mesa kabibi asoso efa young boys no I mean the ones who are on the street scamming, fraud, sakawa. These three groups, ibomokoko. Say, wow, what me agina ye no? Some ye, the page you have to be ye. Wow, unjina mu ye no? Be wary. The hour is near. Na father to be draw me nearer, draw God nearer, because just like he came like a bird with wings on the back. Same way to fly from your life. Yes, I've seen people who are successful more than most of you. Enti munso siye, edumane ya apo so no content them because apo ya apo. Does not matter if you justify it. I was broke. I went there. The Boni said, baby, apo so there. You have to be very vigilant.
Good now. No.
Don't justify yourself with sin is sin. Not just here. It's message. You can't justify it with this. How about the connections in the country? Nipa, influence you see come out or bank, all that. I'm telling you, there is a price to pay. There is no free lunch.
We buy a horse with Peluto numbers.
Another thing, good.
Look to numbers. Yes. But what we can do is that we have spirits who are in the numerology aspect. They are in the numerology astra. Almost soon we are here. I'm working with numbers. They will influence your lucky numbers. They will influence that. But that one falls under money rituals. And no is scheduled area. Yes. Upe is scheduled area. It didn't know who is scheduled area. Because the money rituals. Yes. And they be far. But no number see Yama do is a norm and hour of the day. We don't do that. That's magic. That's tricks. Magic and saying but it doesn't give you money, it doesn't give you power.
And say in be quite mouth fever. It doesn't give you luck, it doesn't make you get your purpose. Akunya Evenze. Nkunya. Yeah, the father no.
Good. I was for you that time go so twitwi enkomo na interesting pa. Na yenhwe sanema we nyina menim say mo ama monim efom no make so abene. Uninim nyama na wo honhom wachi no. Ebebe na amokwasiye. Amokwasi ya de titru pa na amokoye. Ana ensama for frame mokoda ho. Ana amokodwodwo makoma o mo ba fie. Ana de ntini amokọ. Mokọ brebe de ntini amokọ eho.
Purpose until we cemetery. But cemetery is a very powerful place. It's more powerful than the shrine. It's more powerful than the temple.
And the church.
Some churches are more powerful than the cemetery because never we are sorry them on. It is equal.
So the cemetery holds the first.
Yes, cemetery no quite some apparitions. The evocation, someone conjuration be our no. Go through direct.
Because it will be a fee.
It will be a fee. You know, last minute, wow, shame me obeko. Wow, shame me obeko. How you be a fee? Say, Hono, as a strong wood, as a temple, be as a Jinayabia. A commissaire for coho, we for coho, dot for coho, a south for coho, a po for coho.
ministers, presidents, world leaders nyina akọ any people wa obi everyone goes there
talk te ona wo ye bibia ekoyie sunsun bo no ma ne comedy ma no wetin medi nkom go tin ba ofi ye de ko no ebi on ma na fo wo no me ko chache omo yes umti me fie because sanction de fie ye fere want bi mba te so ko ne ko pay home echi ne ko ye ne ma mo no mu yes ye nyamedwuma na de ye to mo kan ye ho na ye no mu nyina ye de entun sadidi you pay home echi you venerate our ancestors yes the be atable yen so musum but we venerate our ancestors wo bosuma we venerate you sunsun we are demons we venerate them every spirit in the entire cosmos we venerate them because we are mystics represent different divination any chromancy in our friend any sunsun kasa sunsun be otibia beba ebi otibia beba no ho ebi aso otibia e friend na obeton saba you create an astral bridge sunsun bridge no obi anam so no be e komani e chae ho na what say yes yet say pom to say oh matin of obi din ko asan nche bi obeba mu me from nko mo dis kedo mo ntwa abo ade no mo ba mo ama e nema agu ma pa so no mo ma be das no yati musumi mo beba mo besi kwan so mo ko be da no mo ka sa pepe enkomodie ne message tie ni mo na sa oba temple ya ma information no so nsu yi iwo da wonim kwan da wonim say ku isra ka ku ise manta afo bi amote kwan pe na ne ma da na ne ma yi talk
good abusafo aha Royal Television egusu ibo ene kaka kra bi ne de enkomo no esi de ne ehia mititru wo mpa ne se atawo mo ka asem na no ma sa kire wo se ne nto aso na wie no wan hwe ya se de be yo no krenko ano mo de bro de nipa so mpa no kre ne ze be ne dey time no no bomodi an num bi wani su bi wa ya se o ya o de an time no no yare bi e wo su bia no bia wo na dru na so time dru de o si titru malaria enu ano edru we ensasito bomodi an gibi time eba mecha obi aye dwuma wo gya ho awiem afom dwuma wo de ya ere no num bi bia be fine wo kwa resabe e kasa wo tri de yare malaria na num bi ebekọ KMG herbal capsules ni magugu be ma ho ne adin na no uya bia enso be yini na afiri ho osisi yeso wo brangasa be si KMG be yini na afiri ho mo hwe nkran o kanshi drag lane e wo ho Monaco junction na tonsu kumase shop ne bi wo emroma bijan house e ho so na enru no so de ebu ho pa anya asem ketwa pacho so wo ka bi a wo ton a efe e wo habo wo pese wo kokoyi unya ska de koyi e betra se no ayen hyehyeye ne koyi ka na ma ka no so tun se ne ka bi akonya kwanhia ma asai yakwa koduru baby a chese se ne masi ko insurance for no o me bu kwase afren ne koto ka ne fro ne ntom fri wo enye se be hia wo your number no is 0244840108 0244840108 Bomodia na faka na pictures ni bibia faso na yeni nkomo akiri ata em se yebre no ya ye ben kakra me pa cho sunsun asemeka no eno sunsun se bia demon bi ana se bia ejiro ba nchen a omo hwe o yes ansana ya mawo ana se sen no mugina so mo ye e bia be panimu we ya kwara
But I have a question.
My question is which I say, Susu Munsum say a bassy be a spirit and via our boss body be near a cha. Much what I say. Aha, which a film pennyman so which a film while I am.
There is soon on age.
Or chairman near why am Amano. Yeah, so it doesn't matter whether will be any new be a crap. I'll call it to me as I'm going to 2 4 years now. Annual. Kolan suma form suma no be hye panyi bia woni na ne suma na yes 7 tomago power ni free it does not matter spirits go where they are invited not who wants them say to me tell me people that form so so no open was one now there no mama we drink mama and tue mama say mama maybe you know better the open yes so power doesn't care about who you are or how long you practiced it's about intention wakoma mu na sunsun no betina that ones they don't care I know the audio program and be sabe and yamo say won fa ho but real power I the body pasa ya rema di panema ye no they come to you don't go to them.
That's our power
exactly
yeah put me over baby
yeah
the way after accept your call if we be seekers we are seekers we are teachers too to the body be in church no sabe pepe the encourage nchara bre ho but ye chrew
no mo ni ada ho yesterday teachings na ye nka say una fato wiche mu bra ho no da bi like I always say We don't want to see seven predators so in disgusting things. Until we tell you how it is, now what's your problem? You analyze it yourself. The amount of brain hardcore that what you about in the amount, use that junction for analyzing. And if it is needed that you come to see us, you call and humbly. Don't call to entice us with what you have. That some of you are talking as if say seven predators. You can buy us despite VDB. Send your mocha father. Promises, and now mine. Daddy. I'm with it. I don't to talk. It's okay, father. Last word, send the title Death and Afterlife. Who a signboard? Who a signboard? And another to please stop it. There's a pampas boy at 2 others. I'm off what show some Kwame. Stop what you're saying. I'm telling you, this is Macmillan Mackenzie. Stop what you're saying. I mean, could be good. Yeah, that man last time. 0247-903-263.
0247-903-268.
0247-903-263.
0247-903-268.
Mono madena grofo kafa mo. Sana ya mutin.
Yate sa bakis. Yate ni nyina. Mo ka fa mu ne.
Yate ni nyina.
Iwo ko ta de ko mu
Undiska.
Undiska bi aba to aba fa ko.
Omo chamo.
Yes, there's a place in Accra. You tombo Undiska. No, yeah, so we say you to the wada mu twa na ba. Dey bia se fa okoji.
You ko to we go bidi. You go to the corner episode of Jessica.
But I'm only on magic.
Ara mani atamo edi besi yakopon boaso so a ebi a ochina ye no mbeto aso e wo ba bi na ebi a ya post ye be post na ye de aba memfa ne tra ugidio unyiniu e ade eden ho ugidio unyiniu e wo ho nti opa agidi opa manyinni de on upo wumpo e wo ho e na ye chinchira se osuma wo mre so bitimbe den bewrem ya disua na menu mienu nyina yesua atambetima kan se be kura na be nwanwa emfa mo age ho membusa so mo age sen
47 mental
mo nyansa emfa age ho nti be stropi Solomon ne nyansa enim metusala enyi onyi nyina no je se eni hwe wo ho abuso afere be sia se atwa ho ni ato adwumadi foforo so medamase